Hi, I'm Karthik. I'm a software architect. This is my family. My wife and my Anjali. I always hum a song for my kid to make her sleep. We always have a dinner together and my daughter wants me to feed her. She loves drawing and I'm always there to help her. Anjali? For any father, it's a pleasure to play with the kid. Hey, for me too. But that day, I started from my office as usual. I did a mistake. I was drunk and was driving. I can still sing a song for my kid, but she cannot listen because she wants to listen from me, but not from my soul.
జ్ఞాపకాల నీడలే మనసుని వెంటాడగా కన్నుల ఆశలే కడతేరలేవుగా కాలం కౌగిలిలో తను నిదురపోయెనా ఎంత దూరమైనా అది దగ్గరేనుగా తన కోసం కథలే నిలిచిపోయగా